Before we start, you should look at your book and look at the pages 546 and 547 to see what a projectile motion is before you go any further. Right, now that you've looked at it, we're going to do some problems. So I have a projectile fired at an angle of 30 degrees. That's my theta. So theta is 30 degrees. His initial speed, that's my v naught, of 150 meters per second. And since I'm using meters, that means that my g is going to be 9.8 meters per second squared. So I know that I can find my horizontal distance. My horizontal distance at 30 degrees is 2 times 150 times the sine of 30 degrees, cosine of 30 degrees, all over 9.8. And my horizontal distance is my initial speed, 150 squared, times the sine squared of 30 degrees, all over 2 times 9.8. So go ahead and do this in your calculator. You could check with my answers. All right, so check your answers to see if you got the same thing that I did. 13.26 meters for the range, the horizontal distance, and the height was 1,120.65 meters. Go ahead and try to set up the second problem on your own. Come back and I'll have it all set up with the answers. Okay, so go ahead and check. You should have had a theta of 25 degrees, initial velocity of 200 meters per second, and your range should have this equation, and your height, that one is 15.63 meters and 35.75 meters.